Hi everyone, this is a quick video to review the DE Addendum form, the new form that we'll be using. If your course does not currently have a DE Addendum form and it was taught during summer or fall 2020, this is the form we'll complete. First, we just put the date, the course title and number, and the faculty submitting this form, as well as the division chair's name. Once this form is complete, the division chair can check this box right here if they approve the form. Question 1 asks if any of this portion of the course can be taught online. So if the course has been taught online or can be taught online, we click yes. If not, then we just click no and we do not need to complete the form. Number 2 is if there is in-person contact hours. This is not for when we were teaching the class remotely and synchronously. This is more for like if the course requires contact hours because it's a hybrid course. So if the course can be taught completely online and it has been taught online, we would put 0. However, if the course can be taught hybrid only or hybrid or fully online, then we want to make sure that we note how many hours would be in person. Number 4 reviews regular effective contact methods. So we want to check the methods that apply to the course that we're teaching. It's important that we don't put office hours in the other box because office hours are in addition to regular effective contact methods. And we only want to click the options that apply to all courses, to all sections taught for this course. So for example, we want to check at least one, but we don't want to just check all of them because if we check all of them, then that means that all sections for this course will be using all of these methods. And that might not be the case. So we want to check at least one and just check the ones that will for sure be used across all sections for the course being taught. And then we want to explain and provide examples of how we would demonstrate instructor-student and student-to-student interaction. For example, we would explain how we use maybe rubrics or the speed grader, how we might use chat rooms, or how we might use a variety of apps or tools like Pronto, etc. You might explain how students interact with each other via online discussions or assignments. Remember, we want to make sure that the examples that are provided will be applicable to all sections taught, regardless of instructor. For number 6, we talk about strategies for methods of instruction. So for example, will we be using announcements? Will we be using additional applications? Will we be providing video presentations? And then in number 7, you explain how the course student learning outcomes or objectives are met by these methods of instruction. So for example, say I teach public speaking and one of the course outcomes is that students deliver a persuasive speech. So that means that I'd probably check that we would be doing video presentations because my students submit video presentations to demonstrate their ability to present a speech. Then in number 7, I identify how the video presentations meet SLO number 2, presenting a persuasive speech. And I explain that here. Number 8 is basically the methods of evaluation, so how students will be evaluated. Oftentimes students are evaluated via discussions or online assessments such as quizzes or exams. And remember that we don't want to just choose all of the options. We only want to choose what's applicable to all sections and at least one. And then number 9, if we go to ECD and we look at the COR, section 2, number 10, if it includes collaborative activities, then we want to explain how collaborative activities will be presented and facilitated in the online environment. If it does not say collaborative activities, then we can just put NA. And then these things are required, and we'll check all of them, that we are basically adhering to accessibility and universal design requirements. So we'll make sure that all of these are checked off, as well as all of the accessibility requirements in 11. And then we'll skip question number 12 right now, but when we put this information into Illumin, we will, the college will take a look at what courses are offered um, online, and if a program is offered more than 51% online, then we'll need to submit a ACC substantive change approval form, and that process will happen in the future. All right, so that's a quick video to basically explain how to complete the DE addendum. Thank you.